Management is a broad concept. It can be seen as important not only in business but also in everyday life. How can we apply the concept of management in our daily life? So, today we can discuss functions of management and that we can learn from our own experience. In today's fast paced environment, it is easy to forget things and things are getting worse. Working women are the ones who suffer the most during this pandemic situation. They are struggling to balance their families and jobs at the same time. Due to online classes for kids, women are being forced to make the choice between caring for their children or prioritizing their own career. Cooking, cleaning, attending Zoom classes with kids, taking care of her family, her work, and other home demands are not easy to balance. So, how a woman can handle such a situation? That is, how she can manage. Management means managing an activity. Now we can suggest certain things. At the beginning of the week, make a list of everything that you need to accomplish that week. Then, prioritize the list, such as urgent task and non-urgent task. This is called planning. So, in the terms of management, we can say planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is to do it. Doing everything by yourself is not easy. Being the best at your job means you know what to do and which task to delegate to others. This you can apply to the home as well. We can teach our little kids to do simple work at home. Arranging all their toys in a particular box, keep their rooms clean, try to doing homework by their own. But remember, miracle won't happen soon. But slowly, we can expect a lot of improvements from their side. This will help their character building also. We can delegate some responsibilities to spouse, such as grocery shopping, cleaning, gardening. Now, you will feel the weight of that responsibility left as you give it to someone else in your household to take care of. Delegating such activities, that is known as organizing. So, organizing means process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving predetermined objectives. As you are a working woman, and if you have a small kid, then employing a nanny can offer invaluable assistance to your busy family schedule. This is what staffing is. Staffing means the process of finding the right employee with appropriate qualifications or experience and recruiting them to fill a position, role, or job. But when you employ a nanny, it may be a financial burden for you. Now, you have to revise your household budget. When all the tasks are distributed to different members of your family, still you need to see if everything is going well. That means you have to supervise, you have to guide. That is what directing is. Directing refers to the process or technique of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing, and leading people towards accomplishment of certain goals. Though you delegated tasks, still, if you are mentally and physically tired, It is the time to take care of your health. That means in the routine, you skipped taking care of yourself. But remember, grooming is a must to women and men, both in this age of time. Because grooming will help you feel relaxed, and looking better is also a plus to our personality. So, what we have to do? Take a step back, analyze, prioritize, commit, and start over the task and planning again. This is what controlling is. Controlling involves ensuring that performance does not deviate from standards. Corrective actions can include changes made to the performance standards. So, in simple words, we can say management means managing an activity with the cooperation of other people. It is getting things done with the cooperation of others. So, not only in organization, it is very important to practice the concept of management or life management skills to achieve certain goals in our personal life also. Thank you.